Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to cancel or downgrade a plan on MailerLite. When you cancel your plan, you will keep your current plan until it expires, but you will not be automatically charged for the next month. When downgrading, your original plan will finish the billing cycle, monthly or annual. Then the new plan will start at the next billing cycle. To cancel a monthly plan, head to Account Settings, then Plan and Billing. Click on the Upgrade or Downgrade button. Select the free plan by clicking on Cancel Subscription. To downgrade the monthly plan, head to Account Settings, then Plan and Billing. Click on the Upgrade or Downgrade button and select the new plan by clicking Downgrade. The new downgraded plan will take effect once the current plan has expired. And if you want to manage your payment methods, go to Account Settings, click Plan and Billing, and switch to the Payment Methods tab. If you have more than one payment method added, you will have the option to switch the default payment method as well as remove a card. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I will see you on the next video.